Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all, it all, Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see you're healing? Hold on to the feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so this may be the last time you guys see me filming in this location. They are finally almost done with my office space and our den downstairs. Stay tuned for the vlog so you guys can see all of that, but it's nice y'all. But anyways, so we may be saying bye to just this space. I don't think y'all will notice a difference, but just in case you do, I want to throw it out there. But anyways, I digress. So the unit I am rocking was sent to me by ARABELLAHAIR. Shout out to you, ARABELLAHAIR, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So it says there is their balayage highlight colored HD transparent 13x4 lace frontal wig, body wave human hair wigs, and it has on here free part. And you know, obviously it is a lace front. It is a free part, but this unit is available on 13x4 lace, 4x4 lace, 5x5 lace, and a 13x6 lace. So you have all of those options. It is available in a 16 to 30 inches, all being even numbers. They did send me 26, girl, okay? Your girl has been feeling the lengths lately. I don't know what's up with that, because you guys know I used to love me a short wig. Honey, I've been feeling the inches here lately. Okay, so as far as some more details and specs, this is obviously a body wave unit. They do have it available in Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian, and Malaysian. It's 180% density, is an average cap size. And the hair color is a balayage. So those are all the details and specs that I see. As far as tweezing this unit, I did none of the things. Oh, girl woke up like this. Okay. She woke up like this. Okay. I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. Now, I did decide to bleach the knots, and actually, y'all, I'm not gonna hold you. This hair, I ended up forgetting that I was bleaching it, and I normally bleach hair for like 45 minutes, but I completely forgot. I thought I had my timer set, but it was not set, so I had to kind of go back, and I was like, oh my God. But it turned out good. I think it was a good thing, because, honey, you show me a knot. Do you see a knot, girl? You see a knot, girl. So I was happy about that. As far as shedding and tangling, I did notice some shedding, but I had to cut over here, and that's why I noticed the shedding. So I'm thinking that the shedding is from how I cut the unit, not necessarily that the unit was shedding in itself, but I like to throw it out there. So you can't say I ain't tell you, girl, because I told you. So yeah, that's that with that. As far as it being big head friendly, now this unit came with no combs in it, but it came with combs in a bag, so you can attach the combs if you want to. It also came with an elastic band, or yeah, I call it an elastic band, so you can wear it glueless. I did apply that, but I didn't apply the combs, because I ain't gonna hold you, your girl can't sew. So I had to get my cousin to do that, but I didn't feel like it was necessarily necessary. I prefer combs on closures. As far as frontals go, I'm always gonna lay it down. Okay, I'm gonna put it down, you can fall in love. I'm gonna put it down, you can fall in love. But anyways, I'm gonna always apply, like, use adhesive. So to me, it's not a big deal if if a lace front doesn't have any combs. But like I said, they give you the option, because they sent combs with her. Okay, they sent the combs, I just didn't apply them. And yeah, I do feel like the unit is big head friendly. I feel like it's more medium to large head friendly than small to medium head friendly, but I think you can make it work across the board. I feel like they're trying to make units that are able, that you can, if you have a small head, you have that elastic band, so you can make it super snug and make it work. You'll just have to cut off like more lace or whatever, so it can fit around your ears, like kind of like what I do. But you can still make it work. So yeah, but I do only have the head that's on my shoulders, and I'm an average cap size. So girl, do that what you want to do with it. Okay, girl, do that what you want to do with it. I just put on these nails, so I'm kind of being extra and real ghetto. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Y'all, I have really been working on my posture. Sometimes I have a habit of doing this, and I think it's from just having those big breasts forever, and I was used to kind of the extra weight, and now I'm really working on my posture. So you guys may see me go from this to this, because I'm more conscious of it now. But anyways, I digress. So we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note, and my con is gonna be, say it with me for the people in the back. It's a 13x4. Okay, that is always going to be a con for me. I did go ahead and do a regular part. Normally I do a curved part, but I thought I was going to be wearing it in the middle, but when I put it on, like, I didn't have it centered on my head, like my mannequin head, so when I put it on, it was a side part, so I was like, word, we just gonna roll with it. But that is always going to be a con for me, because you just don't have enough space to really, you know, have that deep part, or it also can make your styles a little more limited. So the 13x4 is always going to be a con. Moving on. Now my pros are endless, girl. Okay, we are still in summer, but I do feel like with it being not brown and blonde, more so black and blonde, it also makes it fall friendly, in my opinion. Y'all can let me know what you think, or if you're one of them people that's like, girl, I don't care what season it is, I'm with my blondes when I want to wear my blondes, I'm with my braids when I want to. If you're one of those people, then it doesn't matter. But if you're one of those people that's a little iffy, like you don't really like to wear blonde when it's heading into fall, and you like more of the 33s and stuff like that, I feel like when it has black. It darkens it enough that you still feel comfortable wearing it in the fall season. So the color is always a plus for me, girl. This hairline is bomb. Okay, the hair in itself feels amazing. I just love the overall look of this unit, and I like that it didn't take a whole lot of work. Granted, I did bleach the knots and I did add some layers, but that is not, it wasn't necessarily necessary, feel me? So yeah, those are gonna be my pros. So yeah, I would obviously recommend this unit. You heard my pros, okay? You heard my pros. So obviously I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Y'all, just feel like a lot of times I just can't stop smiling. Anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Arabella Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And y'all, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. If you like it, if it's a look, if you are feeling it as much as I am, let me know what you think about seasonal hair. And if you are for or against seasonal hair, just sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Arabella. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you like.